Welcome back to the channel. So today what I got for you is we're going to do a little, if you want to call it a competition. We're going to take the TRX4 Blazer, we're going to put it up next to the Predator Gen 8 on the backyard course and see how they stack up. First I'll take you over to the bench, show you what they both have, and then we will get out on the course and see what they do. So I hope you stick around for it, guys. All right, so here we have our TRX4 Blazer, and there is the Gen 8 Predator setup. So quick overview on the TRX4, it's running the Zooskay 35 kg servo, Team Raffee upper shock mounts, stock Titan 21 turn motor, stock ESC, stock servos, running this 3S battery. This exact battery is going to also be used in the Predator when I make its runs. I do have a KYX battery tray, aluminum battery tray on here. Stock Canyon Trail tires that have been modified. The knobs have been cut off there. I will be running these tires also on the Predator because I actually have been running them. I like them. They're light. So both vehicles will be running the same tires. We have a DSM Off-Road pull strap on here. And besides the lights, that's really it. Shocks are stock. Shock springs are stock. Diffs are all stock on that. Now on our Predator, we're also running a Zooskay 35 kg servo, Holmes Hobby Crawlmaster Sport 10 turn with a 1080 ESC and a GT3C radio. We also have the DSM integrated recovery kit that goes the length. Again, the UGRC Predator chassis. These are some cheap shocks I got off Amazon. No springs, no shock oil for droop setup. We have a Trio overdrive gear in the front, aluminum links. Our bumpers are 3D printed, and we'll be running the J Concepts creep body. And again, we will be running the same battery in both vehicles and the same tires on both vehicles. We already know that this with battery and all weighs in at 4 pounds 13 ounces. So we are going to weigh the TRX4 with body and everything to see what it weighs in at so we can compare the weight. So we'll do that next, and then we'll go out and make a run with the TRX4, come back in, change our tires, swap the battery, put the body on the Predator, and go out and run the same lines. Stick around. Here's the TRX4 weighing in at 7 pounds 4.1 ounces. So there's the weight compared to 4 pounds and 13 ounces on the Predator. So let's get it out on the course. All right, TRX4 on the backyard course. Alright, here's the Predator. Same tires, same battery. So there you have it. What do you think? Please comment down below and let me know. I think on this course today, it's not a huge difference that you see, but I see the differences. The Predator turns sharper and better. And I can also say that I've used the Predator on other courses, and I actually competed with it recently, and I did not get video of this, but I went to a Scale Mountain in Bellevue, Florida, and did a crawl brawl team competition. And in class 2, I came in 9th out of 49 people. I think I did phenomenal. The truck, that was my real first true competition test. It did great. I could have done better personally, with it, but that was being my first true competition. I'm very excited, very pleased with the outcome. And our winter series starts in just like 2 weeks from now. And so I can't wait to start that. And hopefully I can get some video for you guys. So I hope you like what you see, guys. And if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. And until the next time.